Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install a local Oracle database server on Windows, as well as how to access it using Oracle SQL Developer. All these tools are free. First, let's download the Oracle Database Express Edition, the latest version. The link is in the description below. This will become the Oracle server on the PC. After download, click the executable file and then choose the installation directory. After that, you are required to create a database password. Write and remember these. Then, there will be an installation progress, about 15 to 30 minutes, quite a long time. While on that, let's install the Oracle SQL Developer. This is used to open and manage Oracle database, whether it's in your local or somewhere in remote server. This does not require an actual installation, so just unpack the zip file. Once done, double-click on the sqldeveloper.exe to open the app. You will be greeted with the welcome screen. Now check your Oracle database installation. If done, it will say Install Successful. Now we can log into the Oracle database server using the Oracle SQL Developer. The default username is System, which is equivalent to root in MySQL. The password is the one that you inputted during installation. The hostname is localhost, port is 1521. Then click on the service name, then enter xepdb1. When you install Oracle Express Edition, xepdb1 is the default database inside Oracle XE where you create tables and store your data. Oracle XE is free but limited in resources, CPU, RAM, storage, and supports only one active pluggable database, which is the xepdb1. Click on Test to test the connection. If that says success, proceed by clicking Connect. Then you can do your Oracle query experiments here. I will try to create a table in this example using the GUI provided. That's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.